Aloha, and welcome to this preview of the Calvin University Interim course, Landscapes of Hawaii. My name is Mark Bieland, and thank you for your interest. In various forms, this trip has been offered by Calvin's Geo Department since the 1980s, and that's given us time to discover some of the most interesting sites, hikes, and snorkeling spots. This will be my fourth time leading the course. My co-instructor is Dr. Jerry Van Kooten, a geologist who specializes in volcanoes. He's retired from Calvin, but he'll join us for the volcano portions of the course in Hawaii. In this course, you will learn a ton. You will get lots of fresh air, sunshine, and exercise, and you'll have some amazing experiences with fellow students in one of the most unique places on Earth. In this course, we'll try to see the real Hawaii. Sure, we do lots of fun tourist things, but we also seek to know, appreciate, and connect to the Aloha state and to Hawaiians at a deeper level. This satellite image of the Hawaiian Islands gives you a sense of the structure of the course. We will start in Grand Rapids on Calvin's campus, where for 4 class sessions plus a Saturday, we will mix lectures, activities, map making, and films. We will explore what makes Hawaii the most unique state in the United States. We'll learn about climate and geology, indigenous culture and history, the encounter with European, American, and Asian societies, economy, politics, environment, and sustainability issues. Many people think Hawaii has the most ideal climate on Earth. In January, the highs are 81 degrees, the lows are a comfortable 66, the water temperature is just perfect at 77 degrees. It's sunny most of the time. On the wetter side of the islands, near Hilo, you might get some rain, but typically the rain falls at night when you're sleeping and not in the daytime. Our first stop in Hawaii is on the Kona side of the Big Island. We stay at a hostel with dorm-type accommodations and a very friendly host. Near Kona, we visit a coffee plantation to learn about the coffee industry. We visit indigenous culture and history sites. We do some amazing hikes. We go snorkeling, and we go out at night to some cute beach towns. While staying near Kona, we immerse ourselves in Hawaiian history and culture. We visit a sacred place of refuge for indigenous Hawaiians, attend a luau dinner and dance performance, and we learn about Protestant and Catholic missionaries to Hawaii. All meals are included in the course fee. We shop at grocery stores in groups, and we prepare breakfast and trail lunches together each morning. Each evening, you will get a $15 per day per diem for dinner. We drive to a location where there are plenty of restaurants to choose from, and students form groups and go out to eat. One student ate inexpensively at Pizza Hut every single night, and he saved enough money from his $15 per diem to bring home more money than he brought with him on the trip. But I don't actually encourage that. I hope you'll sample Hawaiian cuisine. It's a fusion of Asian, American, and European influences. Some things to try include Hawaiian barbecue, sushi, spam musubi, bubble tea, a Hawaiian plate lunch, and a loco moco. On our 2 Sundays in Hawaii, we will attend worship together at Hawaiian Christian churches. We travel around the islands in rental minivans. Typically a leader or a leader's spouse is the driver with 5 passengers, each getting a window seat. In the Hilo area, we stay at Arnott's Lodge, a place that caters to ecotourists and university geology groups. We eat outdoors under a canopy, and we're just a couple blocks from the ocean. Hawaii has many great parks. We spend several days in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. We also visit Haleakala National Park on Maui. And we visit Pu'uhanawa Ohanaunau National Historic Park on the Big Island. Hawaii is the safest place in the world to observe active volcanoes. You will get to see fresh lava up close. You will get to walk through a landscape of sulfurous fumaroles. And if you're lucky, you will get to watch rivers of lava pouring into the ocean, as you see here in this photo. Our hikes will take us to black sand beaches, green sand beaches, turtle beaches, and some really amazing landscapes all around Hawaii. Hilo is on the west side of the Big Island. That means amazing waterfalls. We will visit several. Here you see Akaka Falls. It also means lush green canyons like Waipio Valley, as shown here. The Hawaiian Islands are the most remote inhabited places on Earth, and that means that food, energy, and invasive species are immense issues. We will visit a tropical botanical garden. We will visit one of the most amazing farmers markets. We will visit plantations for growing macadamia nuts and papaya and other fruits, and we will visit several renewable energy installations. On Maui, we stay in condos right by the ocean. We stay in Kihei, a laid-back community with great public beaches and beautiful sunsets. Like the Big Island, Maui has a wet side and a dry side. The Iao Valley, shown here, is on the wet side, and you can see how the rains have eroded the volcano into beautiful, jagged peaks. Maui was dominated by the sugarcane industry, and that industry recruited workers from China, Japan, Portugal, Puerto Rico, and Korea. And that gives Hawaii such a wonderful multicultural mix. In fact, it's the most multicultural state in the United States. Social science research shows that Hawaii is one of the world's best models of a multicultural society that works. The waters off Maui are where humpback whales hang out and breed in the winter months. Those shallow waters are among the best whale watching places in the entire world. We go on board a Pacific Whale Foundation boat and have a trained naturalist guide us to listen to and observe whales. The coral reefs on Hawaii are filled with colorful tropical fish. If you haven't learned to snorkel, don't worry. For most students, this is their first time snorkeling, and it's a perfect place to learn. On your free days, students might swim, they might read a book at the beach, they might rent surfboards or boogie boards, or just have a relaxing time. We won't be staying on the North Shore where the waves are enormous, but you're welcome to try and catch a wave. The literal high point of the trip is 10,000 feet above sea level on the summit of Haleakala. This is one of the most awesome hikes in the world. We start by watching the sun rise over the Pacific. Then we enter the Haleakala crater, hiking past otherworldly landscapes, observing rare plants, amazing beauty, Thanks for checking out this course. If you have any questions, just email the address shown here. Aloha.